Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, variables are used to store data values. There are several types of variables in Java, which can be broadly categorized into three main types: local variables, instance variables, and class variables, also known as static variables. Additionally, Java has several primitive data types and reference data types. ####1 Primitive data types. Java has 8 primitive data types. Byte, 8-bit integer, range, -128 to 127. Short, 16-bit integer, range, -32,768 to 32,767. Int, 32-bit integer, range, -2 to the power of 31st to 231-1. Long, 64-bit integer, range, -2 to the power of 63rd to 263-1. Float, 32-bit floating point number. Double, 64-bit floating point number. Char, 16-bit Unicode character. Boolean, true or false. Example of primitive data types. ###2 Reference data types. Reference data types are used to refer to objects and are created using defined classes. They do not hold the actual data but rather a reference to the location in memory. Common reference types include strings, arrays, classes, interfaces. Example of reference data types. ###3 Variable types in Java. Local variables. Local variables are declared inside a method, constructor, or block and are only accessible within that method or block. Instance variables. Instance variables are declared inside a class but outside any method. They can be accessed by any method in the class and hold values that are specific to an instance of a class. Class variables, static variables. Class variables are declared with the static keyword and are shared among all instances of a class. They belong to the class rather than any specific instance. Conclusion. In Java, understanding the types of variables is crucial for effective programming. You have local, instance, and class variables, as well as primitive and reference data types. Each type serves specific purposes and scopes, allowing developers to manage data efficiently.